my Apex 50 e-bike. It's dual hub motor. I'm not sure about the wattage, but I got the 52 volt battery. Yeah, so let me find a spot, pull up over here. You got to be careful on this thing though. It'll catch you off guard and you'll go off the back. So what I do is I just hold the brake if I'm gonna pedal just a little bit, just to deactivate the motors. As soon as you let go of that sucker kicks in and it's going. Just a little bit. Pull that brake cable in and you can pedal freely without it taking off on you. But if you're not ready, boy, and you let go of that, it goes. So on our right, we have the dairy. You can hear that thing taking off on me. I pedal twice and it goes. Barely even going 22 miles an hour, 23 miles an hour, easy, easy. There's the cows, another dairy. It smells like shit around here. Gets around pretty good. I've got a full charge right now, but I gotta go and stop and get some water. I'm kind of thirsty. We're at our first intersection, first major intersection. We're gonna go over to this AMPM Arco gas station. So they put this gas station right next to a sewage treatment plant. And you know, it smells really bad. All right, got my waters. gonna be pulling up to the trailhead real soon here. Make sure we don't get hit by a car. Get across this street, up this hill. And this is a steep hill too, so. That little pedal assist on that, boom, up that hill. Oh, what the fuck have they done? I get tired of this shit, man. Back in the day, none of these houses were here, and there was a trail that I liked to hike all the time. And now, the civilized people that you are, y'all block my path. And I'm not supposed to be upset. But look what you've done. Boundary Riverside County Wildlife Conservation Area. This area has been set aside for protection, natural plants and animals. Wow. What is this? I can't go chill over there under that tree. That's great. So you're telling me I just rode all the way over here just to get shut down by this? You gotta be kidding me. I'm getting so tired of you people telling me that I can't go enjoy that mountain. I can't go enjoy the wilderness because y'all decide to tell me I can't. I'm getting sick of it. I mean, what kind of country has America actually become where I can't enjoy anything anymore? Welcome to California, the land of the track home sites. Well, that kind of killed it for me. I had a whole plan and now it's locked down. This thing absorbs the shocks really well, or the bumps really well. Clear. Well, that was a buzzkill, wasn't it? Let's go down here to the park and chill for a minute. Catch our breath. Found some shade, some water. Hey, that's cool. There's a barbecue pit right there. Hot ash only. Wait, look at that. Someone stole the pit. They put it in here. Bastards. Well, at least there's a nice bench here. I can sit down, take this backpack off, have me some water. Wonder what the temperature is right now. I think it's like 100 and, it's only 95 right now, so it's not bad. It's Saturday, August 9th, 95 degrees. It's not a bad deal. It's bearable. I wear a long sleeve shirt because the moisture and then that breeze. That's right. This hat is a little warm though, I'm not gonna lie. It's got some heat going. But keeps that sun off my ears and the back of my neck so I don't catch that cancer. Guess I'll put some of this gear that I'm not gonna use anymore since that adventure's toasted. Can't go play in the forest today, guys. Not in the desert hills, at least. Wonder if they'll ever open that up again. It turns out, with the way they do things, they'll put a gate, they'll lock it, and then they never open it again. It's always, everywhere I go, dude, they put a lock, it never opens again. Who is gonna go there and open that? Who's even gonna think about it? They sure in the hell thought about locking it on us. It's sad. It's sad. You know, I'm 43 years old, and I've been through all these hills. And as I'm getting older, and I go to my old stomping grounds, and stuff is just locked down. It's just locked down. You know, when I was a kid, I didn't burn it down. Now I'm an adult. I know better. I know how not to light the forest on fire. Most of us do. But we get treated like we're stupid. Things happen, man. So I rode my Apex 50 up here. I've been probably riding 20 miles or so far. I mean, 30 miles an hour though, it doesn't seem like I've went far, but I have. This bike is pretty cool. I'd recommend it for somebody of my size. It's tall, excuse me, it's a really tall bike. I'm not gonna lie, it's really tall. So if you're short, you don't want this. If you're kind of tall and round like me, you got to get this bike. If you want to get out and go and see things that you normally don't see in a car. Power on. Power it up. I like to go fast, and I like to go with two-wheel drive. So I hold down the I button until it says P3. P3, let's do this. And I go through the park here. Like I said, it's kind of a tall bike, but I like it.